Hey there, my name is Younes, and in this tutorial we are going to learn about operators in Kotlin. So the basic operations in Kotlin, like in any language, there is the plus, subtraction, the multiplication, division, and the modulo, of course. So basically you can print all these things. Let's, for example, print 15 plus 16, easy. 16 multiplied by 16 and 15 multiplied or minus, like that. And finally, let's do division. Let's print each of this. And as you can see, it is working correctly. Okay, so this is last one equal 0. Why? Because this is an integer division. Okay, so if you add one of these operand, which is to be a double or something else, and run it again, you will see it's no longer an integer division. Okay, it's double division or a float division. The last one is the modulo. You can do it like that. Print then. Let's have 15 modulo of 4. Modulo is with the percentage sign of 4, and run it again, and the percentage will be 3. Why? Because the remainder from the division of 15 by 4 is 3. So 4 by 3 is 12, plus 3 is 15. So this is how you can do basic operations in Kotlin. You can use this form, or you can use the classes functions form. So let's create a number here. Let's give it 15, and let's replace all this 15 with this number. You can do it simply. You can use Control F and search for 15 here, and basically select everything and replace it with number. And here you have to replace it with 15. Okay. Let's delete this line, don't need it. You can do the following. You can do dot. By dot, we are calling a function. You can use plus and add the other number here. So this is exactly the same as plus we used earlier. For the multiplication, we have, I think, multiply or times. Yes, it's times. The subtraction, we have, I think, minus 16, and for this, well, we need division, I think. Yes, we need division by 4, and finally we have the modulo. For the modulo, I think we have the remainder, exactly, for the remainder, and let's run it. Okay, as you can see, it is working correctly. This tree, where we are supposed to have 16 here, run it again, we must have 0 here. Exactly, and if we change this like that to the 0, we will have a double division. Exactly. So these are the basics of operations in Kotlin. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you understand how operators work in Kotlin, and see you in the next video.